Students, gamers, and editors, this is the moment that we've been waiting for. Assalamu alaikum boys and girls, it's your boy Hisham, and today we are going to be unboxing the Lenovo Legion 740 laptop. Honestly, I have watched so many reviews about the laptop. I've watched so many videos. The representation of the laptop is really nice. Always interesting to see what's new or what are the features that they added to the laptop. Honestly, the box is I really like the box. I really like the idea of the logo around here and how it's 3D presented. Of course, once you open the box, you'll find another layer of protection on top of the laptop and the logo, which looks really fascinating. Here, you will find the laptop and the charger. The charger is right over here. And that's the 230 watts charger. And here is where you will find the magic. It looks really nice and really satisfying to look at. The Y740 has a metal design with a nice dark gray color, a very solid hinge that goes all the way to 180 degrees. The Legion logo over here has some cool RGB lighting. Let's talk about connectivity and ports. We have a mini display port, HDMI, two USB 3.1 ports on the right hand side. So that was my first look at the Lenovo Legion Y740 that will take your gaming to the next level.